Right now I'm going to go up there and repair a pipe. So let's go on upstairs. So I went to re-energize the house after we winterized for the winter time, and I guess there was one pipe I didn't get all the water out of, and it froze and it split. So turn this thing around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So as you guys can see, I had to open up the wall right here. Thankfully, this is the back of the shower in the upstairs. Thankfully, I was able to cut out the drywall right there and open this up. So, and we have copper in here. You can see where I've got my pipe cutter already. Let me get a close-up on that. So I've got my pipe cutter right there. I'm going to use that to cut the pipe. And the split, see if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that swollen edge right there. Can you see that swollen edge right there? That's where it split, shooting water out. I'm spinning this pipe. Okay. There we go. Now I have that bare pipe. And luckily down here, I've only got about 1.5 feet before I hit the PEX, which is the plastic stuff. So I'm going to clean this up right now. A little bit of emery paper. Okay. And this is what's called a Sharkbite, and this goes from copper to pipe. And what's beautiful about these is that you just press fin them on. That's it. That's it. You press fit it on. That's it. Crazy, huh? That's it. No soldering, no flux. So that's pretty cool, huh guys? No soldering, no more flux. You just clean the pipe and you stick that fitting on there and it's a press fitting. And they don't leak, which is amazing. There's my quick water leak repair. Now let's go downstairs where I have to cut the other piece of the other end off, and I'll press that piece on, and then we're gonna fire this thing up and see if it leaks. There you go, there's my piece, guys. Maybe not. I hope so. I should have just got the white. Oh well. I thought there was yellow up here, but I thought there was red and blue. There's red and blue other places. So this is so cool, honey.
Because that's basically saying that you have hot water coming out through there.
Uh-huh.
And you have hot water coming out through there?
I hope so. Look at this, honey. You just push it on and you press it in place. That's it.
No leaking.
No leaking. That's what. Oh, I don't have any strength in my shoulder anymore.
Watch the light bulb.
There we go.
Right behind you.
Okay. Let's test it out.
Watch it, it's right on your left ear.
Okay, guys, we're gonna test it out. Gonna turn the water on right now and see if it leaks. Hopefully I don't have any more leaks in the rest of the house. Cross my fingers.
No. The water heater is filling up. All good.
So we got water flowing through here already. Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. So we can turn that one off. There's all that air is out. So there's the split in the pipe right there. 1/2-inch copper pipe. And this is it. It went from PEX to here, and there was apparently enough water in here. There was water up to here, and it split the pipe right open. All right, guys, there we go. We tested the water. We have no water leaks. So we only had the one burst pipe in the upstairs shower. We got that fixed. So we are charged and ready to go. Let the party begin. Yeah, right. Have a little bit more work to do before I can do any playing or partying. So I got to put that cell tower up. Got to cut some firewood and that good stuff. But you guys are going to see that. So check out the next video. And then also give you guys a quick little tour of this place. Check out that video. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Idaho rocks.